In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Fidelity NetBenefits. If you want to access your workplace benefits and retirement information from your Android phone, the process is very simple and only takes a few minutes. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To get started, unlock your Android device and open the Google Play Store. This is the App Store where you can safely download apps for your phone or tablet. Make sure you're connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data, so the download can complete without interruptions. Once the Play Store is open, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. In the search field, type NetBenefits. Fidelity at Work. Be careful to enter the name correctly so you can find the official app more easily. After typing it in, start the search and look through the results. When you see NetBenefits, Fidelity at Work in the list, tap on it to open the app page. This page will give you more details about the app, including the app name, preview images, and other information that can help confirm you've selected the right one. Taking a quick moment to verify the app before downloading is always a good habit. Next, tap the Install button. Your device will begin downloading and installing the app automatically. Depending on your internet speed and device performance, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. During this step, just wait for the installation to finish. Once the app has installed, the Install button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch the app for the first time. This will take you directly into the NetBenefits app so you can begin the setup or sign-in process. From there, just follow the on-screen instructions to continue. The app will guide you through the next steps, and you can simply read each prompt carefully and proceed as needed. If you already have access set up, you may be able to sign in right away. If not, the app should help direct you through the available options. And that's it. That's how to download Fidelity NetBenefits on an Android device using the Google Play Store. Take your time, follow each screen carefully, and you should be up and running in no time.